This innovative travel trailer has multiple sleeping options, immense power, and is towable by a Ford F-150. Enough to replace your current RV yet? You get features like a secret space under the bed and a never-seen-before entertainment setup. This is the Brinkley Model I. Let's take a look.
Motorhome luxury.
The Brinkley Model I starts at a price range of around $72,000 and can go up to $77,000, depending on the floor plans and packages you are opting for. This price range makes the trailer quite competitive as compared to other half-ton trailers out there. This is the 275th floor plan, but we'll also be talking a bit about the other floor plans as we get inside this trailer. At the front of the trailer, you get a vertical parabola sort of design, along with that massive window with the Brinkley logo standing apart from the crowd. To add stars to the decor, the blade lights on the front corners are there as well. Right in front of the Model Y lies the hitch section, or let's say the nose of the trailer, and it's one of the biggest features that set this trailer apart from the rest. This trailer comes with an unloaded vehicle weight of 7,785 pounds and a gross vehicle weight of 9,600 pounds. However, the big thing here is that Brinkley claims that the Model Y can be easily towed by a half-ton truck. You heard that right. This means millions of Americans with a Ford F-150, Ram 1500, or Chevy Silverado 1500 can tow this thing with their vehicle without having to buy a giant truck. For most people, especially couples who are ready to explore the world, this lowers the barriers to taking the plunge. However, although the claim is very exciting, the weight category falls into the upper end of what half-ton trucks can handle. So before you make any decision, always check your truck specs first. Along with a very solid hook, you also get a powered tongue jack and 2 bottles of propane that'll come in very handy. Moving to the left side of the travel trailer, you get a storage garage, and it's literally one of the largest garage systems you can find in an RV. It's a pass-through garage that can be accessed from both sides and offers immense storage space, allowing you to store all sorts of items. The whole space is well lit with the help of LED lights, and it has a massive 3,000-watt inverter that can seamlessly charge your trailer batteries and keep all the appliances up and running smoothly. There is the connection of hot and cold water, which gives you exterior shower options. Fortunately, this is not the only shower. Inside waits another bathroom that is equally big. But for now, let's keep moving further and take a look at these beautiful European-style frameless windows that give you so much visibility from the inside. Plus, one of the biggest highlights of this side remains the 19-foot massive awning that comes out to give you a very nice shade in the morning or the afternoon, while you eat your breakfast with your partner. And hey, here's the best part. There's also a possibility of theater setup for you. You heard it right. The Model Y comes with a ceiling-mounted digital smart projector mounted on the inside that projects your favorite shows and movies seamlessly on the special frameless windows that works as your smart screen. Isn't that fascinating? And here's an even cooler feature. If you don't want the people outside to see what you're watching, all you need to do is pull down the privacy shades and there you go. The privacy shade can also be controlled with a remote, so that's good too. The main entry door lies right in the middle of this side and has a couple of interesting features to talk about. Like always, I'll talk about it in detail as we are about to get inside. It's now time to get to the back of the Brinkley Model I, and it's amazing how the company has managed to keep the rear of this trailer so classy while having items such as the Furion heating system, the rear view camera setup, a 300-pound accessory hitch, and a ladder that'll take you directly up to the roof. But what's on the roof? Well, with the standard package, the Model Y 275 houses a 200-watt solar panel setup that can be easily upgraded to 600 watts depending on your requirements. People are shifting greatly to solar panels nowadays and love the off-grid freedom it provides. By the way, what do you prefer? A combination of solar panels and fuel, or totally solar? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. If there's one thing that I know nobody's going to complain about, It is the amazing slide-out on the other side of the trailer. The slide-out actually rests the lounge area inside the trailer and increases the interior space massively when out. Ahead of the slide-out, you have your electric hookup that allows you to charge your trailer, making you ready for a long trip. At the front of this side, you get the garage access point, and now you already know how much storage space you are going to get. But on this side, there's something special too. I am talking about the docking system that has your city water filler, a 55-gallon fresh water tank, and also the switch for the powered leveling jacks that support the trailer to stand on almost any sort of surface. There's also a large hose that you can connect to your dumping systems, which you get two in this trailer on the same side, and empty the gray and wastewater tanks so easily. The wastewater tank capacity is 40 gallons, and the gray water tank is 75 gallons. And now it's time we come back to the main entry door and take a look at how wide and beautiful it is. The door matches the constant design of the rest of the exterior and even has side railings with powered steps, making your entry more convenient inside the trailer. Well, enough of the exterior. What about the inside? Let me tell you, it's just mind-blowing. Stepping inside this Brinkley, you can see a wonderful and very strategically designed floor plan that matches the luxury of a full-fledged apartment. Some say it's even more spacious. Right in front of the entry door is going to be your lounge area and the kitchen setup. Keeping in mind that the lounge section is on the slide-out, it offers huge space along with all the luxury and premiumness of a luxury motorhome in the size of this trailer. While we're talking about floor plans, let's have a quick look at the other floor plans as well. In the 265th, the bathroom is located at the rearmost section, and the kitchen situated at the galley that leads you to the bedroom. The 294th floor is the most exciting and offers the most amount of space as compared to all the other floor plans. You get a massive bunk bed in the rear, a converting sofa bed near the theater settings, and then the bathroom and the sink section is split between two on both sides of the galley leading you to the bedroom. Which floor plan do you prefer? Let us know. Let's get back to the current floor plan now, and we'll talk about the other differences between the three floor plans as we move forward with the lounge area first. Take a look at this big double-seater sofa that faces the kitchen and allows you and your partner to just sit and enjoy together, read books, or do whatever you want. But it's not just any other sofa. This special sofa converts into a wonderful double bed, offering you a very decent sleeping option in case you do not want to use the main bed. To convert the sofa into a bed, all you need to do is unfold it and extend it, as simple as that. There is also a small mirror above the sofa, which can come in very handy if you're living in the trailer full-time. This particular sofa is only available in the 275 floor plan as the standard package, and in the 265 as an optional package. In the 295th, you'll be getting a bit smaller sofa with the standard package. In the 295th, you'll also be getting a fireplace with the standard package. However, in the 265th and the current floor plan, 275, you won't be getting that. Up next, you have the highlight of this section, the absolute entertainment section. Remember how I mentioned the projector? This is the same. It includes a set of two wonderful theater sofas with reclining features, armrests, and cup holders, along with the window screen setup that allows you to watch your favorite movies and shows without the need for a TV. The projector is mounted right on the ceiling that projects your shows and movies right on the smart window screen. Here's how it works. The window is actually a smart window that can be clear and visible or clouded and obscured with the switch of a button. When the window is clear, the figures projected on the screen can be seen both from the inside and the outside. However, if you just want to watch it inside, you can pull down the exterior privacy shades and everything's okay. The dinette section is attached right to the side wall below the window, and it's a super special dining setup. Instead of the typical sofa and table in the middle, Brinkley has gone with a pull-out table with two chairs that not only serve the purpose of completing your dining requirements, but also give you a very nice working space. Plus, it has a small drawer in the center where you can store things like pens, markers, and even cutleries. This is something very creative and strategic, and gives you those multi-purpose features that you expect from a travel trailer. At the rearmost section of the trailer lies a pretty spacious kitchen setup that has everything that you get in a full-fledged one. It's an L-shaped kitchen with a solid surface countertop that gives you that touch of premiumness and luxury. Right beside the dining setup, you have your stainless sink and an extendable faucet with a drying rack. Below the sink, you get a lot of space, and it's also dishwasher prepped, so if you want to install one, you're ready. The rest of the kitchen includes a 3-burner propane gas stove, a 30-inch convection microwave, and plenty of storage space in the cabinets and drawers above and below the kitchen countertop. And hey, they've not forgotten the fridge at all. You get a 12 cubic feet large residential fridge with a dedicated freezer compartment that ensures the cooling and freshness of your food items, no matter where you are. The pantry area is located in the middle of the kitchen and the fridge and offers very decent space with normal cabinets and pull-out drawers to store spices, ready-to-eat meals, or packaged food for your camping needs. But after eating all these things, what would be the one place you'll look for? You guessed it right, the bathroom. The bathroom is located on the galley that leads you to the front section of the trailer that houses the comfort of your vehicle. Passing through the valley, you can also see the control panels for the Model 1 275 and some towel hangers. The bathroom is quite ecstatic and speaks of luxury. Stepping inside, you can see the toilet, a very premium sink area with mirrors and drawers. And then you have the amazing shower I was referring to in the beginning of the video. In the shower, there is extended headroom, and you can also get a sunroof installed there if you want. There's a pocket sliding door for the bathroom that'll give you all the privacy you need. It's now time for us to get inside the bedroom area and explore how wonderful the sleeping area Brinkley is offering you. Stepping inside the bedroom of the Model 1 275, you will feel like you've stepped inside a beautiful 5-star suite and no less. It has beautiful dimmable lighting, a wonderful bed setup, and a large closet space. And hey, you have that huge panoramic window right behind the bed too, that will give you a very amazing view when you're on the road or at a campsite with your partner. Speaking more about the things, it has a large king-size bed that is super comfortable and can easily sleep 2 adults without any space issues. However, here comes the best part. The bed can be lifted up using a hydraulic system, and it converts into a step-down walk-in closet that's completely unique. What would you rate it out of 10? Apart from that, you have storage drawers or chests or both sides of the bed, drawers on the upper side walls, and then a large closet that again offers immense storage space. So, now the question is, do you want to replace your RV for this travel trailer? If you are interested in a travel trailer that can make its own water, click on this video, and we will see you soon at a new luxury motorhome.